Hey my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haircare and lifestyle. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you all this look right here. I wanted to keep this look very wearable and easy to achieve because I understand that not everybody likes to cake on some makeup or even wear so many colorful eyeshadow looks. So I have done it in a very easy and wearable way that you could pair it up with any outfit that you have. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started with the video. I'm gonna prime my face using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. And then once the primer has been applied, I'm gonna move on to the concealer and just even out my complexion. And for that, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Conceal. It is in the shade Pure Beige. I'll just apply it on the areas where I have dark spots and pigmentation, that is under my eyes and on my acne scars. I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend out the concealer, and when that is blended out, I'll just take my damp sponge to make sure that there are no harsh lines on my face. And for blush, I'll be using this lipstick from Maybelline Creamy Mattes collection. It is in the shade Nude Nuance, and just apply it on my apples of the cheeks, on the tip of my nose, and also some of it on my chin. And then I'm gonna set my face using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. It is in the shade 15 Light. Today we are not using any bronzer or anything. We are just going in with some blush and then setting our face. Next, I'm gonna move on to a step that I don't usually do, that is filling in my eyebrows. And for that, I'll be using that dark brown shade. I'm just gonna brush down my eyebrow hairs and start filling in the gaps that I have on my eyebrows. I'm starting off from the center and then gradually moving towards the end of my eyebrows, and then whatever's left in the brush, I'm just applying it to the front portion because I want my eyebrows to look very natural and not like drawn out and very fake. Alright, let's move on to our eyeshadow, and for that I'll be using this shade and apply it above my crease. I'm gonna blend it out with a blending brush, and then once that is blended, I'm gonna take this warm brown shade and then apply it on my crease area, and also blending it out with the previous shade that we applied. Next, I'm going to take this orange shade that we have in the eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to place it below that warm brown shade that we applied, and also making like a small V on the outer corners of our eyes, just to make the eyes look even more elongated and lifted. I'm also going to take that same shade on my lower lash line, and once that is blended out pretty well, I'm going to take this white shade that we have in the palette and like sort of pat it on my lid space area, and also taking it to the inner corners of my eyes. I also ended up applying a little bit of shimmer on my eyes. I'm just applying it on the center and blending it out with my fingers. And then I'm gonna move on to the liner, and for that I'll be using L'Oreal Gel Intensa. It is in the shade Profound Black. I'm applying it very close to my lash line. You don't have to be very precise with this step because we are going to be smudging it out anyways. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply like a generous coat of mascara, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. It is in the washable variant. I'm gonna highlight my face using Nykaa Glow Getter highlighting palette. It is in the shade 24K Glam. I'm not going in with a blinding highlighter today. I'll just apply a very little bit of it just to give my face a little bit of sheen and definition. And then I'll continue with my lipstick, and for that I'm using the same lipstick that I applied as my blush. So I wanted a monochromatic look, so I went ahead with the orange eyeshadow and tapped it all over my lips just to give my lips a orange shade and make the look cohesive. And yes, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I wanted to keep this look very easy and wearable because I wanted to keep this look very easy to achieve and also very idiot. I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and lifestyle. And Mummy!